Hey everybody, and welcome to Toddy's World. Today, in time for Thanksgiving, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my famous cheesy mac. So let's get right into it. So I have my ingredients here. I have my shells, my heavy whipping cream, Velveeta. I'm going to use 8 ounces of Velveeta. I'm going to be using 6 ounces of the smoked Gouda. I'm going to be using a cup of mild cheddar and a cup of sharp cheddar. 1 stick of butter. I didn't end up using the real garlic, unfortunately, but I have garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Now we got our ingredients. Let's get into it. We're going to salt some water and let it come to a rapid boil. Now let's add our noodles. I absolutely love that sound. We're going to have the noodles cook for 7 minutes, a little under al dente, and then they'll cook the rest of the way in the sauce and soak up all that cheese. And while they're boiling, I'm going to get all my cheeses ready. I cut my Velveeta and my Gouda up in chunks. And now my noodles are almost ready. As you can see, I don't want to let them get too soggy, because I want to leave room for them to soak up all that cheese later on. So those are looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drain these, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've drained my noodles and I've added my butter. And I'm going to let my butter melt a little bit, and then I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. And I like to season my macaroni before I add all my other components. So I'm going to add smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper, and mix that all in. Now for the little rat in me's favorite part, the cheese. So we add in the Velveeta first because it's creamy, and trust me, if you're the one mixing this and using your elbow grease, you're gonna need that creaminess. So I'm gonna add the other cheeses in next. And normally I wouldn't use as much Velveeta, but this is for my kids, so I'm gonna use a lot of Velveeta and Gouda, but usually I use more pepper jack, cheddar, and maybe even occasionally some Gruyere. So we're just going to mix until this is incorporated. If you need to, you can add a little bit more heavy cream or some milk. You could even consider this your arm workout for the day. As you can see, this is a two-handed job. I had to go get my daughter to hold the camera. This is my first video. I haven't gotten a camera stand, tripod, whatever, just yet. So mix away. As you can see, she's got the camera leaning in 12 different directions. Then we're going to add our smoked Gouda and our mild cheddar and our sharp cheddar. You might as well go ahead and add it in all at the same time. Go ahead, dump all that in there, because you're going to be mixing regardless. So churn, baby, churn. Let's go. I know some of you were probably wondering why I have that spatula instead of a spoon, and now you see, because you got to get along those edges, flip, twist. This is a two-handed job. I'm going to add some more heavy cream, as you can see, because I'm strong, but I'm not that strong. Okay? Then you mix, and voila. Okay? Look at that. Creamy. Okay, and that right there will be absolutely delicious. But no, we're going to bake it. So we're going to put it into a pan, a baking pan. And we're going to cover it with more cheese. Like, hello. Okay, so spread it around and get it in your pan all evenly. You want it to bake evenly. No lumps anywhere. Get it all spread out. And then you're going to add mild cheddar cheese all over the top. Make sure you get around those edges first, and then you can spread it to the middle, you know. Get those edges, because those are, you know, those are everyone's favorite piece. Come on, we all know. We all know everyone likes the corner piece. So get that cheese over there. Then we're going to pop it in the oven on broil. Normally, if I put an egg in it, I would put it on 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes so that egg can cook, and then put it on broil. But since I didn't do that this time, just put it straight on broil. This, my friends, is the moment of truth. Is it cheesy? Is it still creamy? Is it soupy? We're going to find out together. Let's go. If you want a bite or you want to see more recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Signing off from Toddy's World.